Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your 1xBet password. First, open the 1x website in your browser or launch the 1xBet app on your mobile device. Make sure you are using the official website or app so your account stays secure. Now click on the login option. On the login screen, look for forget password. Just below the login fields, tap on it to begin the password recovery process. Next, you will be asked to choose a recovery method. Here, select how you want to reset your password, such as through your registered email address, phone number, or user ID depending on what you used when creating your account. After choosing the recovery option, carefully enter your registered email address or phone number. Then double-check the details to avoid errors, and submit the request to continue. Once done, check your email inbox or SMS messages. 1xBet will send you a password reset link or a verification code. These may take a few seconds, so wait patiently. If you don't see the message, also check your spam or junk folder. Now, open the reset link or enter the code when prompted. You will be taken to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter a strong password using a mix of letters and numbers, then re-enter it to confirm. Finally, save the changes and return to the login page. Log in using your new password to access your account. Your 1xBet password has now been successfully reset and you can continue using your account normally. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.